to my channel. My name is Afi Elizabeth. If this is your first time on my page, on dit quoi? On dit quoi? Don't forget to press subscribe. Faut pas oublier de press subscribe. Go boss on that day before you leave. Press subscribe, okay? If this is your first time, I would love to have you as part of the family. Today's video is I don't even know how to explain this to y'all. My crocheting is, will be, has, have, all that has been turned down to a 5-minute crochet. Hey, crochets are no longer going to be an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours if you don't know how to crochet. It's now down to 5 minutes. Oh, this video is sponsored by a company called Model. They reached out to me. This is when I tell you God is real. Listen, I've been purchasing hair from Model since high school, and now they're reaching out to me. Hey, mon Dieu, oh my God, is good. Oh, I'm telling y'all, this is amazing. They reached out to me asking me if I was interested to do a review for them with their new crochet wig. Yes, you heard what I said. Crochet wig, okay, crochet wig. And I was so excited when they sent me this because I was like, crochet wig? What? All about doing crochets myself. So it's like, crochet wig? What? Something different. You welcome. You welcome. Yeah, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get started. Crochet wig. What? Yes, sis, it's a wig. Yes, it's a crochet, and it's a U part. Okay, if you don't know what a U part is, it's basically this right here. So that means it's a wig. All you have to do, you could blend it with your hair, or you can crochet this part right here, which is what I'm going to do today. And they also sent me an extra pack to crochet my hair with. Okay, this is the Model Glance braids, which is a beach twist in 16-inch, and this is the 1B. They also have like all kinds of different types of I think it's a different type of crochet that can blend with this. So I will leave the link to where you can purchase this down below. So don't forget to check the subscribe. Well, after you subscribe, don't forget to check the description bar. So I'm gonna stop talking because I feel like some people don't like when I talk a lot, even though it's my channel and it's a tutorial, it's a review, like that's what I'm supposed to be doing. But I'm gonna stop talking because I don't want you to click off. So with this wig, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my wig off, okay? I'm gonna snatch myself, okay? Take it off like this, okay? Yes, babe, this is the real me. Deal with it. And I'm gonna take this out. This is actually my first time taking it out the box. I wanted to take it out the box once I got in front of the camera. And the hair looks like this. And you guys know that most of the time the hair doesn't look like the picture. So, well, we're gonna see if the hair looks like the picture after it's all me. And hey, on va saper comme jamais. Hey, on va saper comme jamais. Hey. You know what that means, sis? The fact that it's a wig? You know what that means? You can take your crochet off and go to bed, and you don't have to worry about your crochet freaking tangling during the week. Like, this is awesome. Like, I freaking like this. This is amazing. Thank you, Model. And you could put this as a ponytail too. You could use it as a ponytail. It has an adjustable straps in the back, which this would look cute on a ponytail. You know, you can like this little little thing right there, and you can crochet that part. Ooh, you crochet that part right there. What? Okay. So this, I'm gonna have mine like right here, and then pull this back. I was kind of worried when they sent me this. I didn't know if I had to sew it in my hair or not, which I'm really glad it came with adjustable, these little clips. Let me just clip it on my hair. Oh yeah, this is the real deal, sis. Oh, sis, you see this? You see this? I know some people like their crochets to feel a lot fuller. Like, you want to feel that volume. You want to feel like you have hair on your head. This is a lot more lightweight than your regular crochets if you was to do it for yourself. But I am going to say this does cut down your hours of doing your own crochets. Okay, it cuts down a lot of hours. All you gotta do is crochet the front of your head, and the rest is a wig. As far as like how does the texture feel, it feels pretty soft, but I know for a fact that it's going to be tangling and it's going to be shedding like your typical crochets. I don't know why people ask me how much is the shedding, how bad is the shed. Like, I don't understand when people get really like frustrated with the shedding and the tangling for crochets. Crochets are your synthetic hair. Like, you can't get over the shedding. Like, the only thing you can get with crochets is either if it feels soft or if it feels rough. It depends on the type of brands that you buy. Very much so, all the brands are the same with me. I think every brand that I've tried, they all came to the same, you know, level when it came to shedding and tangling after a certain amount of days. These crochets, they will be on the website. I will leave the link down below where you can purchase them. This hair will shed, like you can't get over the shedding, but the best part about it is it's a wig, so you can keep it for as many days as you want to keep it. What I did before going to sleep was I took this wig off and I just twisted the part where I did crochet my hair, and I left it the way, you know, I just twisted it and I wrapped my hair up, and I hung this wig on my mannequin. I went to sleep. This wig is about a week old, and yes, just because it's a wig, it doesn't mean it won't tangle. It does tangle, it does shed, and it will give you problems if you don't know how to take care of it. A lot of people ask me about shedding. Like, shedding will shed. You will get shedding regardless whether it's human hair or synthetic hair, but most of the time you get a lot of shedding with synthetic hair. There's no way you can prevent shedding. With this crochet, one thing I do like about it is when I'm ready to go to bed, I can just take it off. Or if I get tired of crochets, I can just take it off. You can do so much style with this wig by itself. You can do a half up, half down crochet, or you can do a ponytail style with it, which is what I love, with the adjustable straps in the back. Je vous dis, hein, je vous dis. C'est crochet, hein? C'est différent, huh? It's different. That's one thing I like about it. It's really different. Yes, people do make crochet wigs, but I feel like this and like, I don't know, I feel something different about this. With this, I do like the fact that you can blend it with your hair. You can do whatever you want with it, and it still looks good. I love the fact that you can blend it with your hair, because you can turn this into a U-part wig if you don't want to do crochets. One thing I am gonna say, once again, because I keep saying one thing, there's more than one thing. This hair will tangle. I don't want you to think just because it's a wig, it won't tangle. It will tangle, boo-boo. It will tangle. Don't let it fool you just because it's a wig. Synthetic wig tangles regardless. You just have to know how to take care of it. But I am happy that the outcome after a week, we still good to go. We sometimes still have to, you know, you see this? Sometimes we still have to cut the ends that be shedding. But it's a wig. Like, you could do whatever you want with it. It's not like if you cut it off like a regular crochet, if you cut it off, you're done. No, you're not done. You still got a long way to go. It's still gonna give you life. You know, you still gonna be somebody's wife. It's fully connected in the back with the comb, like you guys saw in the beginning of the video. And it looks just like your lace front wig. I mean, you can't really tell it's a crochet unless you do it wrong. But yeah, I like this hair. If you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, thumbs up down below, and leave a comment before you leave. Okay, I'll leave the link to where you can purchase the hair. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. And I know my makeup was tore up. Okay, my makeup was tore up. Don't say anything about it. We were experiencing stuff outside the box. On dit quoi? On dit rien. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.